Assalamualaikum. Uh, I'm creating this video to show the current progress of the shuffleboard project, and so this is I'm running two applications. This one is the KM controller, which is going to run on the Android tablet, uh, and this is going to control our game. All right. And this one over here is the uh, game uh, game appearance, which is going to run on a big TV screen. This is our game. All right. So once you run the application, they are going to find themselves on the local network and connect with each other. All right. So now talk about our game controller. Uh, we have this man menu. When the application is started, we have this man menu, and you have an option to select mode, and there is a board setting. In the board settings, you can define your default team names for the team A and team B. You can just define their names, which will be commonly used for the teams if the team doesn't want to pick their team name. So these are those names which are by default going to be used. And then we have a game point settings, set target points. This is the minimum target point they can set, like for each game, minimum target points they want to achieve in order to finish the game. And there is a maximum target point which a team has to reach in order to complete. And then there is a minimum round which in a, so let's say there is 13 points and there is only two rounds. They want have to achieve 30 rounds in 30 points in two rounds. So that will be the minimum, and five rounds, 25 points. That will be maximum. So that's how it works. All right, that's the board settings we have, and then we have the select mode. Select mode we have slash single, double, team options, and in single mode, single player, double mode, double player, team, and we have four players in the team part. So let's start with the single mode, and in single mode we add the players just by tapping on this icon. This input field will appear, and here we can just input them. So I'm going to just name it AA, and for this I'm going to name it BB. And we can also edit the team names over here just by tapping it. Now we can just name it. Let's say I want this Avenger, Avenger, and for this I want to pick a moral. So let's pick this one tomorrow. So Team Avenger, Team Moral, A player name AA, player name BB. Here we go. And back to the game controller. This is going to show when the team has input their names, registered themselves, and then we have this, all right, and then we can just set target points and set rounds, and let's say I'm going to set the minimum two rounds here and max minimum over here in the controller I can set their minimum target points and the maximum target points. So once they set their points, they can also then do the toss. And on the toss, they choose head or tail. And once they pick, a bigger screen will appear showing this doing the toss animation, and then head wins the toss. It will show the result, and results will appear on the controller as well that Avenger wins the toss. And then we can just let's begin. So when you press the begin button, uh, game will load on the game application, and we will see this menu on the controller. And then they can just play their move. Let's say player A, first player turn is showing here that AA is playing. He has a turn, so he go and just place this puck and throw. This will be tracked by the tracker. Now I am just using my virtual tracker to show you the results. So let's say he achieved the 3 points, and then another guy come from the Marvel BB, and he plays, and this goes on and on until they reach their um, desired points. So let's say uh, Avengers is on 9, Marvel is on 6. And here we go, we have the final move of the round. Alright, so once the round is over, controller tab will show the next round, ready for the next round. And this round they have to remove their pucks, and it's showing the history of each player, move numbers, scores. Alright, then let's say we press the ready button, and here your stage is clear for the next round. And the next move, so I just press the hook, and how it goes. And as they reach their target points, let's say our Avenger team reach to the target points. Now it's showing the Avenger high score, Avengers win. And here is showing the name of the player and the score they achieve. This will be shown in sorting order. All right. So, and we have also another environment. I'm just going to show you. Currently, that settings is in the progress. So I'm going to do that for the manually. And this is the pub environment we have designed. And I'm going to just uh, show you another gameplay for this environment as well. All right, just restart the game. Okay, so once we start the game, they will be looking to find other uh, to pair with your applications. Once they are paired, we have this menu, and now I'm going to get the team. Let's say I'm going to get the name A, this one B, and then C, any user has no name and we try to press next, it will show this player name is missing. Please fill all the player names. Warning. All right. So once all player inputs are complete, then user can move forward. And now this thing we have in the controller, the task menu, and this is on the big screen. So on the toss, let's say the team A chooses the head, and the toss is happening. Head tails, results ready. Head wins the toss. This will be randomly picked, and now it's saying that team blue wins the toss. And then we can just set the minimum points. I'm going to set the 13 points. Let's say, yeah, for the test purpose, I'm going with the minimum. Okay, so let's begin. So once our game is loaded, we can play. Let's say another Jude run. We played, and other plays. I'm going to another play. H is playing. Here's score 3. Okay, so rounds up, and so when the round is up, we see this menu, we see the history. We press ready button, and here we go. The stage is clear for the next round, and let's say they are playing. Ah, we speed it up. Okay, just give you. Okay, the game is over. And now we are listing here all the players and their score. They did. So Team Pink wins by 15 scores. And yep. Now, few polishing is still have to work out, and the tracker integration is still in the progress. And so as we integrate the tracker, we will update that to you as well. Let me know the feedback. I have uploaded this on the Mega Drive. I have already provided the link, and so you can just go through that and download it.